The toy review, I have a Hot Wheels track set here. This is the Hot Wheels Mutant Machine Lab track set. And to be quite honest with you, this is quite possibly the single worst Hot Wheels track you will see on the market today. And you know what? It's kind of cool in terms of what it is. You'll see here in the set, there's a unique vehicle that comes with it. It's these neat little hippie go-go-ish type wobbly cars. There's a neat little thing up here on top of the set that it just kind of, for lack of a better term, it's just kind of cool. Where it just flips and it looks like a lightning bolt going off. It has one of these little trap things going on here. But the reason that this is one of the worst Hot Wheels track sets I've ever seen is simply it doesn't work. This thing is supposed to drop the car from up here. It's supposed to drop, slide along there, jump through that track thing, or that trap thing, sorry, and down around this thing, and down over these steps over here. However, in playing with this with my son, the actual success rate of dropping from that thing on the top, let me just point to it here. Where's my lens? There. From the top here down to here is quite literally 0%. You cannot get this car to land in this little scoop thing, jump over this here, and go down into the track. So, just to show you, this is the basic setup we have here, and when you let it go, as you can see, the car lands too far forward in this to develop the momentum it needs to jump across here. So I actually took to turning that back and dropping it by hand, and at the very least it goes that far. The only way it's going to get through this thing this little trick thing here is if it's on its side. So let's just take this out of here, and then you get ready to drop again. Now, as you can see, the only way I'm getting this to work is if I don't use the actual stand, which is, I mean, what's the point of having it if it's not going to work? So, looking at this now, it's a $20 set. It's something that children are going to get really frustrated with, because there's going to be, Mom, Dad, why is this not working? Make this work, make this work. How do I know? Because I just lived through it, and it's really not a good set. It's cool in some respects, in that in looking at different portions of this set, you will see that this has a different, more than one way to make the cars drop off. You can have them drop off the back or off the front. There's a little add-on tool. You can connect other tracks onto here. We have other Mutant Machine sets that plug into this as well. None of those are very good either. But I just realized I put that on a different angle. Anyway, Hot Wheels, Mutant Machines, cool cars, interesting dynamic that do not work on racetrack sets, and don't work in their own sets. big thumbs down. Don't get this set. Save yourself $20.